In the heart of Senegal, the drums beat strong. A child is raised where the women belong. Umulam, with love so wide, guided my steps, stood by my side. The odium Benge, with hands of grace, she lit the fire, she held a space. Marie Silla sang hope in the night, her voice a lantern, her spirit bright. Oh, it takes a village, it takes a song to lift the weak, to make us strong. Umudi Odio, Marie Kadi Maimuna too. I stand today because of you. Kadimbaye, with wisdom deep, she saw the fields where dreams could sleep. Maimuna Diop, with courage rare, she gave her strength, she gave her care. Voices rise, we are the mothers. Drums reply, pa, 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 pa. Voices rise, we are the keepers. Drums reply, pa, 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 pa. Together, we are the village, we are the flame, forever bound, forever the same. It takes a village, it takes a song to lift the weak, to make us strong. The audio, Marie Kadi Maimuna too. I stand today because of you. From the compound walls to the open sky, your love will never, never die.
Fatumbae, Tukulerambae.
We rise, we rise, we rise.
Two sisters walked beneath the fading sky, carrying hope though their husbands died. From sorrow's ashes they found their flame. In a new land they carved their name. Voices, Fatu. Drums answer, pa, 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 pa. Oh, voices, Tukulera. Drums answer, pa, 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 pa. Together we are strong, we are free, bound forever in history. Oh, Fatu, oh, Tukulera, your names will echo forevermore. From grief to glory, families rise. Your love still shines in your children's eyes. They planted hope where the soil was bare, raised their children with tender care. Stories of roots, courage untold, passed down like treasures brighter than gold. Those may linger, but it cannot bind the strength of sisters, the ties that shine. we are here. Oh, far to clear. Your names will echo forevermore. From sorrow's ashes, families rise high. Your love still shines in your children's eyes. Brave and free, forever bound in history.